So in this lesson I want to explain some things that maybe we're having some trouble on the homeworks. What we're looking for here are the angles 1 and 2 and the distances A, B, and C. For this to work out, you need to understand a couple of different things. One, the Sohcahtoa only works with right angles. So I need that right angle, I need that right angle, and I need that right angle. The little symbols are only showing that these are right angle triangles. The second thing you need to understand is that for every 1 degree there are 60 minutes, and there are, for every minute there are 60 seconds. So 1 degree equals 60 minutes. Therefore 1 degree could also be divided into 15 minutes times 4. 1 degree could also be 30 minutes times 2. 1 degree could also be defined as 60 individual minutes. So you need to understand that that's 75 degrees 45 minutes could also be translated to 75.75 degrees. The 55 degrees 30 minutes, as we know from down here there are two 30-minute segments in a degree, is also equal to 55.5 degrees. So again, the first one, 75 degrees 45 minutes, is equal to 75.75 degrees. 55 degrees 30 minutes is also equal to 55.5 degrees. This one, 95 degrees and 15 minutes, is also equal to 95.25 degrees. So one of the things that you need to understand about this is that what we're looking for, this angle here, actually we need to break it up. I know that there are 90 degrees inside of each of these right triangles. I know that this angle is equal to 75.75 degrees. Therefore this dimension, this angle here that's left, is 90 minus 75.75 degrees. Once I have this section done, I know that I can subtract this out of this and get this angle. Once I get that, I've got another right triangle here. I know I can subtract whatever this sub-arc of this angle is out of 90, and I can get this sub-arc. That's angle 1. Once you split that up, you can take whatever this sub-arc is and then get angle 2 by subtracting 95.25 out of that angle. So those are the first two angles. Then the second part of the question asks, what is the distance A? To get the distance A, I need the x of this angle and the x of this angle. This x plus this x is dimension A. In a similar fashion, I want to get the y for this point and the y for this point and get the difference between the two, and that's B. On this one, I want the y of this point and the y of this point, and I want to add those together to get C. So just to recap, one of the things that you need to understand is that the 75 degrees 45 minutes is actually equal to 75.75 degrees. Once you get into decimal format, you can figure out what to do with it from there. But you're going to need to take this and subtract off this angle and then work with this as a right triangle. Sohcahtoa only works with right triangles. Same for this side. I know 55 degrees 30 minutes is equal to 55.5 degrees, so I'm going to treat this as a right triangle, where my angle, my 90 degree angle is in this corner, and then I'm going to do my my Sohcahtoa to this. I know that I've got this hypotenuse from this dimension here, and then I've got an angle. Once I have the angle in one hypotenuse or one leg, I can get the other information that I need. If you have any questions, you can find me before lunch Monday. I will be available in my office around lunch every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that I know of for next week. Thanks.